Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making Starbucks cheese Danish. Enjoy the video, remember to like, share and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need puff pastry sheets, cream cheese, an egg, sugar, a lemon, salt, and vanilla extract. In a bowl, combine an 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, a half cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Place the mixture in a Ziploc or piping bag. Slice the puff pastry sheets into 6 pieces. Pipe some of the mixture down the center of the pastry. Brush the edges with egg wash. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 minutes or until golden. And there you have it, Starbucks cheese Danish. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.